Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Honor X9c is on the latest firmware and Android build, because Dynamic Island relies on system hooks that updates often fix. Once done, enable Dynamic Island in Settings right arrow display. Toggle it on so the system exposes the APIs. Next, install a lightweight launcher or gesture app and grant notification and overlay permissions. This lets you route events into the island area. Make sure notifications are allowed for the apps you want to surface, so the island can show meaningful content. Now you configure which apps feed the dynamic island and why each matters. Choose calls, media, navigation, and timers so the island displays relevant events rather than clutter. Then adjust size, position, and animation speed in the dynamic island settings, smaller for minimal distraction, larger for media controls. Once that's set, open each chosen app and enable notifications and persistent controls. For example, allow Media Player persistent notifications so controls stay visible. Also set priority and do not disturb exceptions to finalize, test all triggers. Play music, accept a call, start a timer, and navigate. You should see the island animate and offer relevant controls. If something does not appear, first reboot the phone and regrant notification and overlay permissions, then toggle Dynamic Island off and on. This often reinitializes the service. If issues persist, clear the Dynamic Island settings or app cache for the offending app before considering more drastic steps. Remember, permission mismatches are the most common cause. Fix those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.